I love my dog Feta, but sometimes she makes it hard to stay on top of my cleaning routine. So I got a Roborock, grabbed a placemat, and got to work. As you can see, Feta isn't the cleanest when drinking, but is any dog really? For an inexpensive and quick fix, I grabbed a placemat and the cardboard from my Roborock box, stacked them together, and cut them out. After securing them together with spray adhesive, I used scrap fabric from my dining room cushions and covered the mat, along with adding an anti-slip rug pad to the bottom, and then covered the entire thing with Scotchgard. And voila! An aesthetically pleasing fix that cost me $2 to control Feta's mess. There's nothing better than when something not only looks good, but also works impeccably. Roborock's Qrevo Curv dock blends right into my home's decor without disrupting the aesthetic. Inside the sleek body is both a vacuum and a mop all in one that gets to work with just the press of a button. Or simply say, "Hello, Rocky," to begin your clean. A dual anti-tangle system that features the Duo Divide main brush and the Flexi Arm Arc side brush for a tangle-free cleaning. It handles long hair, pet hair, and everything in between without a single tangle. And while it not only moves from room to room, it can also navigate around common obstacles like pet toys, furniture, and even your pet. Once a cat or dog is detected by the robot, it will immediately stop the main brush and move aside to prevent scaring your furry friend. And if that wasn't enough, mopping noise is reduced as low as 55 decibels to not wake your pet, keeping it relaxed and unbothered. As it moves to the next space, it can also use the industry's first Adapt Lift chassis that smoothly transitions across different floor types for versatile cleaning. Lifting itself to navigate obstacles and transition to different floor types means it can clean virtually anywhere in your home. Clean deep into mid to long pill carpet fibers without worrying about clogs. And of course, this is a vacuum after all. The powerful suction power captures even the finest particles stuck in between floor gaps and carpets, with the extended side brush and mop for precision cleaning in every nook and cranny. So don't worry about having to double back to clean your baseboards yourself. The Flexi Arm Arc side brush and mop makes sure together that no dirt is left behind. Even on those stubborn stains, the intelligent dirt detection allows the floor to be re-mopped, eliminating the spot. And after you've cleaned your floors totally hands-free, the bot returns to the dock, auto-empties the dust, washes at 167 degrees Fahrenheit with hot water, and warm air dries the mop, and auto-refills the water tank inside the dock. Wow. While the Qrevo Curv waits for its next cleaning command, you can also have it check up on your furry friend. There are so many features to love about the Roborock Qrevo Curv. Now I can spend less time cleaning and more time with Feta. Thanks to Roborock for sponsoring this video, and Feta says thanks too.